Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indulge nil non wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunonso Captures. Ndebanye, Namekelonu. Famba Chukunonso Captures, aka Mazi. Chacom, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo name of the day, giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so give it up to Cynthia. That's right. Shout out to Cynthia for sending in her name for this.